योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलि प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि. पातंजल योग सूत्राणि सस्वर महर्षि पतंजलि प्रणीतम योग दर्शन प्रथमोऽध्यायः समाधिपादः अथ योग अनुशासनम्. Ath means now, Anushasanam means discipline. So, the meaning is, now is the discipline of yoga. Yoga chitta vritti nirodha. Chitta means mind. Vritti means modification of mind. Nirodha means to control. Yoga is to control the modifications of mind or functioning of mind. Tada drashtu swarupavasthanam. Tada means after that. Drashtu means the seer. Swarupe means state of self or soul. Avasthanam means resides. After that, control of functioning of mind. The seer establishes himself into true state of being. Vritti sarupyam itaratra. At other times, one's true nature is identified with thoughts and subtle impressions. Vrittaya panchataya klishta klishta. There are 5 categories of thoughts, pattern, influenced by latent impression and past action and thoughts, collectively termed as a klishta. Their antidote is aklishta. Pramana viparyaya vikalpa nidra smrutayah. Pramana, correct knowledge. Viparyaya, incorrect knowledge. Vikalpa, fantasy. Nidra, deep sleep. Smriti, memory. Pratyaksha anuman agam pramanani. Pramana, correct cognition of directly perceived object. Viparyayo mithya jnanam atadrupa pratishtham. Viparyaya, incorrect cognition of perceived object. Shabda jnana anupati vastu shunya vikalpa. Vikalpa means mental constructions motivated by desires. Abhava pratyaya alambana vritti nidra. Nidra is impressions during sleep, void of external perception. Anubhuta Vishaya Asamprosha Smriti. Smriti, impressions relating to previously conceived object. Abhyasa Vairagyam Tanirodha. Vrittis are eliminated through regular practice and discrimination. Tatra sthito yatnobhyasaha. Continual efforts and regular practice of yogic techniques is aimed at stabilizing and tranquilizing the mind. Satu dirghakala nairantarya satkara sevito dridabhrumi. A foundation of abhyasa occur when actions are continuously cultivated systematically for a long time with devotion. Drashra anushravika vishaya vitrushnaya sankhya vairagyam. Vairagya is established when craving for objects perceived or experienced are absent. Tat param purusha akhyater guna vaitrushnam. Paravairagya is established when the knowledge of Purusha overrides the desires of experience, the gunas. Vitarka vichara ananda asmita rupa Anugama Samprajnat. Samprajnat Samadhi is associated with reasoning, reflection, bliss, sense of individuality. विराम प्रत्यय अभ्यास पूर्व संस्कार शेषो अन्य असंप्रज्ञ samadhi is achieved by regularly practicing samprajna samadhi, the point where vritti cease to exist and only sub or unconscious impressions remain. Bhava pratyayo videha prakriti layanam. Ones who are established in the higher knowledge of knowing the manifest, unmanifest nature can achieve asamprajnat samadhi by birth. Shraddha, Virya, Smriti, Samadhi, Pragya, Purvaka, Itaresham. Once not established in the higher knowledge or not knowing the unmanifest nature can achieve asamprajnata samadhi through total faith, energy, recollectedness, concentration and absorption. Tivra samveganam asannam. Quick results are achieved by those who are intense energetic. Mrudu madhya अधिमात्रत्वात् ततो अपि विशेषः. The 3 degrees of intensity are mild, medium, and intense. Ishvara pranidhanatva. Samadhi can be experienced through great devotion and surrender. Klesha karma vipaka akasha aera param mrishtaha purusha vishesha ishvara. The Supreme Consciousness is untouched by ignorance, product of ignorance, karma and sanskaras. Tatra niratishayam sarvagya bijam. In Ishvara is the seed of omniscience. Sapurve shamapi guru kalena navachedat. Pure consciousness taught and was experienced by the earliest teachers. Tasya vachakah pranavah. Pure consciousness is audibly represented as Om. Tajjapa tadartha bhavanam. While meditating on the sound Om, appreciate it as Ishvara. Tat pratyek chetana adhigamam api antaraya bhavasya. By practicing japa on Om, knowledge of Ishvara is experienced and obstacles are removed. Vyadhisyana संशय प्रमाद आलस्य अविरति भ्रांति दर्शनम आलब्ध भूमिकत्वम अनात्वानवस्थित्व त्वानि चित्त विक्षेपः अनंतराया. Obstacles are sickness, procrastination, doubt, lack of enthusiasm, craving, false perception, failure to concentrate and unstable concentration. दुःख दौर्मनस्य अंगमेजत्व विक्षेप भुवः. Consequences include pain, grief, frustration, trembling, irregularities during respiration. Tat pratyeshadhartham ekatvam abhyasa. Regularly focusing the mind on one principle eliminate the obstacles and their consequence. मैत्री करुण मुदित अपेक्षाणाम सुख दुःख पुण्य अपुण्यो विषयानाम भवन्त चित्त प्रसादनम. The mind may also be purified by cultivating friendliness towards the happy, compassion towards the sad, unhappy, delight towards the virtuous, and indifference towards wicked. Prachardana vidharanabhyam va pranasya. The mind can be purified and balanced by regularly practicing the pranayam technique of external retention बहिर्कुंभक. विषयवती वा प्रवृत्तिरुत्पन्न मनसा स्थिति निबंधिनी. Through concentration on sensorial experience, subtle perception is achieved and the mind becomes steady and tranquil. Vishoka va jyotishmati. By focusing the mind on the inner light, the mind can be purified to achieve a state beyond sorrow. Vitarag Vishayam va chittam. Through dispassion and non-attachment towards the sensual experiences motivated by pleasure, the mind is stabilized. Swapna Nidra Gyan Alambanam va. The mind can be stabilized and focused by concentration of the experience during dreaming and deep sleep. Yatha Abhimat Dhyanadva. The mind can be focused upon the objects of desire to achieve a state of meditation. Paramanu Param Mahatvantosya Vashikaraha. The culmination of meditation results in the mastery over perception of object from the smallest to the largest. क्षीणवृत्तेर् अभिजातस्येव मणेर् ग्रहितग्रहणा ग्राह्येषु ततस्तज्जानत samapattiः. When the vrittis are weakened, the purified mind acts as a crystal reflecting the consciousness of the object in a state of total absorption. तत्र शब्दार्थ ज्ञान विकल्प संकीर्ण सवितर्क समापत्ति. Savitarka Samadhi is the state of complete absorption mixed with words, sound and knowledge and reason. Smriti Parishuddho Swarupa Shunyeva Arthamatra Nirbhasa Nirvitarka. Nirvitarka Samadhi is the state of complete absorption devoid of self-awareness. एतय्येव सविचार निर्विचार च सूक्ष्म विषयां व्याख्याता. When the mind is totally absorbed in the experience of subtle objects, savichara and nirvichara samadhi is achievable. Smriti parishuddho swarupa shunne vartha matra nirbhasa nirvitarka vishayatvam चलिंग पर्यावसनाम ता एव सबीज समाधि. सवितर्क निर्वितर्क सविचार निर्विचार samadhis are operated as samadhis with seed. निर्विचार वैशारथे अध्यात्म प्रसादः. By perfecting Nirvichara Samadhi, true spiritual illumination experience of Adhyatma occurs. Ritambhara Tatra Prajna. Then there is a full direct experience of supreme consciousness. Shruta Anuman Pragyabhyam Anya Vishaya Vishesha Arthatvat. Wisdom from such an experience is different to knowledge acquired through testimony or inference. Tadya sanskaronya sanskara pratibandhi. Following such an experience, further sanskaras are prevented. Tasyapi nirodhe sarva nirodhan nirbija samadhi. By blocking impressions within the mind, samadhi without seed can be experienced. इति पतंजलि विरचिते योग सूत्रे प्रथमः समाधिपादः.